Welcome to Epic Compare channel. In this video, we explore unique kitchen designs featuring stunning crystal mineral geode islands. These islands are entirely crafted from natural crystal, epoxy resin, or special glass, each one a true work of art that highlights raw beauty and authentic textures. In these designs, the kitchen island takes center stage. Crafted from large pieces of raw crystal, these islands have an authentic look that stands out. The surfaces reveal natural veins and details that catch the light, making every angle look unique. Some islands use epoxy resin to enhance the natural beauty of the crystal, while others combine special glass to create a bright, reflective finish. Whether you are cooking a family meal or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, these islands offer a special experience. The way the light reflects off the surfaces, the careful choice of simple decorative items, and the integration of modern features all work together to create a space that is truly memorable. One design shows a cozy cabin kitchen with a massive smoky quartz island. The island is carved from a single piece of natural crystal and features a built-in sink that blends into its form. A simple clay vase holds a small bouquet of wildflowers, and a wooden tray displays fresh seasonal fruits. Soft, warm light highlights the natural texture of the quartz. Outside, a view of tall pine trees and a light morning fog completes the scene. In another design, a large labradorite crystal island is the heart of a modern Nordic home. The island's surface shows a mix of blue and green shades that change with the light. An integrated sink is built directly into the stone, while a minimalistic ceramic vase with a single flower and a neat bowl of fruits adds subtle decoration. Gentle backlighting emphasizes the unique shifting colors of the labradorite, creating a calm and elegant space. Another design features a minimalist kitchen centered around a large agate geode island carved from natural agate. The island displays smooth, richly layered surfaces with vibrant bands of warm hues that form intricate, unique patterns. A slim stainless steel sink is seamlessly integrated into the island, while a floating glass vase holding a single orchid provides a refined accent. Soft LED lighting gently illuminates the space, making the agate's colorful bands shimmer and emphasizing the clean, contemporary lines of the design. A different kitchen features a huge raw amethyst island placed at the center of a mountain retreat. The natural purple hues of the amethyst are clear and strong, with facets that reflect light in a soft glow. The island includes a modern sink that fits perfectly into the design. Nearby, a simple vase holds a few carefully chosen blooms, and a small dish of fresh fruits adds a touch of color. Large windows show off views of rugged mountain peaks and a quiet forest, adding to the warm, comfortable feel of the room. Another striking design uses an opal crystal island in a high-rise urban setting. The opal's natural play of colors creates a subtle rainbow effect on the surface of the island. The island is carved to reveal smooth, rounded shapes with a modern sink built right into it. A designer vase with a single stem and a neat display of seasonal fruits offer simple decoration. Soft, ambient light and the view of a bustling city skyline in the background bring a sense of refined urban style to this kitchen. These kitchens are designed to be the focal point of the home. The craftsmanship behind these kitchen islands is impressive. Artisans work with raw crystal and special materials to cut and shape each island by hand. They preserve the natural features of the stone while fitting modern fixtures like sinks and storage areas seamlessly into the design. This attention to detail ensures that each piece is unique and stands out as a center of design in the kitchen. Thank you for watching our video on crystal mineral geode kitchen islands. If you enjoyed these unique designs, please give this video a like and subscribe to Epic Compare channel for more creative home design ideas. We appreciate your support and welcome your comments. Let us know which design inspired you the most.